Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at adding icons to custom tables in Dynamics CRM. First, we're going to look at why you'd want to add a custom icon to your CRM. Then, we'll look at the technical requirements for those items. Next, we'll look at the few choices of how to find and download those icons. And finally, we'll add them to a custom table. Let's talk a bit about the requirements for those icons. The dimension needs to be 16 by 16 pixels. It can't be bigger than 10 kilobits and it should be in the PNG format. I would also recommend to not have any padding and no background. There are two places in the system where the custom icon will show. One is the navigation on the left-hand side, where you can see that the review entity still has the out-of-the-box icon, as well as any lookup that shows a record of that entity will also have the out-of-the-box custom icon. There are plenty of websites out there that offer great icons. Iconates.com is one of my favorite. Make sure you select Simple Small and then customize the icon to your heart's content. This will allow you to download the icon in the 16 by 16 aspect ratio. My preferred tool, however, is Metro Studio 5 by Syncfusion. This is an application you'll have to sign up for, download and install on a Windows machine, but it will then allow you to group your icons into projects for each client or particular system, and it'll remember the settings once you've set them once. That is the 16 by 16 aspect ratio, the no padding, no background, and the particular gray color. You'll also be able to rename the icons as per the entity you want to use them for. Once you're happy with the selection, export them as a PNG and save them into your project folder. Back on make.powerapps.com, head over to your solutions, select your Webresouce solution and create a new Webresouce. Upload the file you've just downloaded and edit the details as you can see them on screen here. Next, head over to your core solution and select the entity for which the icon is intended. You'll have to use the classic interface to actually add the icon. Once the classic interface has loaded, click on Update Icons. Select the icon both for the web interface and for the unified interface. You can ignore the third choice. This used to be used for the old style top level navigation. Publish your entity and you're done. Back in your model driven app, after a refresh with Ctrl F5 or Option F5 on the Mac, you can see that the new icon has successfully been added both to the navigation and the lookup of your custom entity. In this video, we've learned how to best get icons for custom tables in Dynamics CRM and how to add them to the system. Check out the links in the description below. I've referenced all the material that you saw on screen here. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. To see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. See you in the next video.